Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to create a flow which will help us to detect the language. So let's understand the scenario first. So I will send an email. I will use basically three language, English, Hindi, and let me take one European language, French. Okay, and I will send email in these three different languages, and our flow should detect that this email is in English language, it's in Hindi, it's in French. So we are going to create flow for that. So what I will do, I will simply say cloud flow, instant flow. Okay, here I will use my email as my trigger. So I can search for my Outlook. Okay, let me skip and go to main page. Alright, here I can search for my Outlook trigger. It should be okay. And here I will have, let me search when a new email arrive. Okay, let me pick this one. Here I will say when a new email arrives. So basically I don't want to put any condition, but yeah, let me put one condition as check language. Okay, I will need to copy this text while sending email. Okay, so basically I need only those emails where I have the subject. Okay, and you can leverage this scenario for a situation. Let's say your company is dealing with across the globe, so everyone will be communicating in their own native language. So at that time you can detect the language. You can even manually use that as well to predict what type of language this email is holding, and based on that you can translate. Okay, now here whenever a new email will arrive, so what I will do, I will simply add my new step here. So here I can search for my detect language. We already have a connector here, detect language. So I need to pass my content here. Alright, so what I can do, I can pass body. Okay, and then it will able to predict. So what I will do, I will trigger this flow manually. So here I can add my simple compose. I can say language is, here I can search. So here if you can see, this is language. Okay, let me save this and let me test it out. So here I should change name of my flow as well. I can say this as SC detect email language, and let me save this. Okay, now I'm going to send email. So I will say email here, and let me do one thing. Here I can put my filter and I can send email. So here I will say, hi, how are you? We are making flow, something like this. Okay, and let me send this. Now our flow should run. Okay, so let me go back and see the history. I'll click here and I'm waiting for my flow to be opened. Okay, so it have run successfully. So let me check the output. It should give us the code. Let me expand this. If I will say compose. Okay, here it is able to predict the languages English. It is basically providing us a short code here. Okay, now I have some sample Hindi text. I'm going to copy it. Okay, I randomly searched some Hindi text. Okay, I got it to Wikipedia. So sorry, this wiki source. Now I will again send email. I'll say new email. I will paste this, and here 1 second. Actually, I need to have that trigger as well. Like there's a subject filter condition that I have put, so I need that as well. I think I can get it by editing this. So here, what is my filter? My filter is check language, because my will only show me output when I will use this. And here I can search for my admin user. I will second. Let me type it again. Set. Okay, and then let me go ahead and check my run. Let me refresh. Okay, my flow ran successfully, and this time I should go get my Hindi code. Okay, I will go to apply to each. Let's go to compose here. And here you can see the code. Okay, now similarly, this is simple. I don't know what this is. French text. Okay, I've simply googled it. So let me copy this, and this time I'm going to send my French text now. So I will again copy this. My mod administrator here, subject. My subject should contain this check filter. So I will click here. I will send it. So my email is sent now. What I can do, I can wait for some time now. So it should took 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, yeah, now my flow ran successfully. This time I should get my French language code. So here, if you can see, compose. 1 second. It is showing meaningless. So guys, this time it is not able to recognize the language correctly. So let me tell you the reason. So if you will go to your detect language connector, here you can see you have a mix of HTML, French language, and etc. So that's why what I need to actually convert this HTML into my text. Okay, then I will pass language. Okay, so let me do that. So I can click on edit, and here the first thing I will do is I will search for my HTML2 text connector. So I can search for HTML2 text, and let me use this one. Here I can give my HTML content. So I'm basically passing body. Now I need to pass this text to this particular language. So I will remove this. And ideally you should do this for, even for Hindi and English, but somehow it is able to predict. Okay, so I will send it. And let me save this. Okay. And now this time I'm going to, take a particular code. So let me take this code. This also French language code. I simply Google search it, like some French language code. So I'm going to test with this. So I will say mail, and let me pass my text here. I can say check language, and let me send email, and I'll click on send. Alright guys, so the flew and run successfully, and let me open this. So let me go to compose, and here you can see now it is able to detect the French language. So here if you will see what this HTML to text did for us. Yeah, so basically it simply provide us the, it convert all the HTML into simple text. The inside our detect language, okay, we have only the required content here. See here, okay, and then it is able to predict. So that is all about this video, like how you can predict the language of your email. Thank you.